Amid a rapidly deteriorating relationship between Europe and the United States, Portugal is reconsidering its plan to purchase the F-35 stealth fighter jet, and is looking for a European alternative. The Indian Army has deployed vehicle-mounted infantry mortar system in Sikkim. Zen Technologies has unveiled its 100 km range airborne killer drone system that is designed to serve as a mothership for smaller autonomous killer drones. The Indian Army is set to deploy Sherp all-terrain vehicles for peacekeeping operations under the United Nations mission in South Sudan. The UPATS has arrested an employee of the Ordnance Factory for sending sensitive and confidential information to a Pakistani agent. Russia is looking to re-enter the 80 medium transport aircraft contest with Hindustan Aeronautics, offering its IL-276 to the Indian Air Force for the multi-billion-dollar project. Bharat Dynamics Limited has unveiled its Prabha laser beam rider guided missile that weighs 25 kilograms and has compact dimensions, making it adaptable for tripod-based ground launchers and infantry combat vehicles. The Indian Air Force Chief has admitted that last-minute changes in armament and other specifications requested by the Indian Air Force in the past might have contributed to delays in the Tejas program, so that it could meet evolving threats and match the capabilities of modern fighters in the region. The initial narrative in the Indian Air Force's first ever Tejas Mark I crash in 2024 centered on a suspected oil pump malfunction leading to F-404 engine seizure. However, new information suggests that oil pump itself was not the reason. Investigations point toward inadequate oil levels, either due to human oversight or a leak that went unnoticed before takeoff. A new media report has claimed that the pilot noted unusual engine noise soon after takeoff, signaling mechanical problems, and subsequent analysis has determined that inadequate oil levels was the main contributing factor, which means that poor oversight by Air Force's ground crew may have been a major contributing factor to the crash. Amidst ongoing deliberations over the 114 mrfa program, the head of design for Saab's Gripen has said that Gripen's distributed integrated modular avionics architecture is particularly relevant for India, which has prioritized the integration of indigenous systems like the Astra series air-to-air missiles and BrahMos NG air-launched missile, without disrupting the aircraft core systems. The deletable layer in Gripen-E will provide a critical advantage in terms of intellectual property protection, which means that if India has a function that it wants to keep it for itself, and don't want to share with anyone else, it will be intellectual property and licenses, and it will be deleted completely from the platform for everyone else. That ensures that India-specific enhancements remain exclusive, preventing their proliferation to other operators and enhancing national security. With the Ministry of Defense granting clearance for the Project 77 Next Generation Nuclear Attack Submarine program, reports indicate that the design for the submarine will be ready by early 2029. The first two nuclear attack submarines will be based on an entirely new design that will feature a cylindrical hull profile, reducing hydrodynamic resistance and enabling silent underwater movement, which is an essential factor for stealth operations. The submerged displacement of these submarines will be close to 10,000 tons, placing them in the same league as some of the most advanced nuclear attack submarines. Today's top 3 comments.